Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Resin Beautiful. I have seen a video on YouTube. She was making keychains with beautiful color combination. She looks very expert. I inspired from her work, so I decided to try it myself. She made very beautiful keychain. I liked it so much. Very expert attitude. Very beautiful work. Wow, I like it, so I tried to make myself. I have no mold round keychain, so I made it with plastic clay. I don't know I can do it just like her, so beautiful, but I try my best. So I made it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.